Meow.
This is Chester Snow, and he eats moths. For the past few months, I've been collecting information, and today I'm taking him to court to prove it.
Consuming moths! Crazy!
Oh my God!
That's so f***ed up. I can't believe I have to defend you. This is off the record. F*** you, dude.
What's the story?
There was a family of moths all just enjoying their lives, you know, as moths do. And you wouldn't believe it, this cheetah cat comes out of nowhere dressed as a moth, 6 feet tall, thinks he can get away with pretending to be a moth. The family accepted him in, and that family of people no longer exist because this cat over here ate them.
Show me your evidence.
The family that was consumed happens to be very close to me. I received an email. You'll see the plea of help listed in it.
They were stuck in the elevator before the moths perished.
6 feet tall, I'd imagine they'd be stuck in the elevator.
Wait your turn.
The defendant was stuck in the elevator. How were they supposed to eat the funny moths if they were stuck? And by the way, you should know you're a moth. You guys taste bitter as f***. Why the f*** does anybody want to eat y'all?
And just like that, my prosecution is in shambles. If Chester really was in the elevator at the time of the attack, then he couldn't have possibly done it. And also moths taste bitter as f***, I guess. If only we had some kind of recording of the incident. Then we'd be back.
Breaking news! Chester caught on camera eating bugs to survive.
Why you gotta do me like that, big dog? I am receiving word that they were gummy moths.
Show me the proof.
I can call my witness to the stand.
Calling your witness?
Your gender is movie producer? Okay, so movie producer was there and is able to vouch that they were gummy moths.
That is correct, yeah. They got them at the store. I watched them, open the bag that they got from the store.
I'm picking up what you're putting down. That's checking my mix.
I will have no slang in my courtroom as well.
I am constantly serving cunt at all moments. It's a medical condition.
Defense, are you done with your witness?
Yes.
Would you like to cross-examine the witness?
Cross-examination, yes, that's a thing we do. I have a question. What was the brand of gummy moths?
I think it was the trolley brand, you know?
Did you know that they were very dangerous due to a certain chemical being added to them? And when they got out, they caused this terrible epidemic and were recalled.
I did not know that.
Do we have any?
So how could the defendant have been eating these gummies if they were out of circulation by the time of the event?
I'd like to present, there was a train stopped mid-track, and that is where the defendant got the gummies, but while they were in transit to be taken back.
So they stole them.
Yes, they did do a theft. Which we are not prosecuting them for. You cannot fucking charge them for theft.
I would like the jury to take note of the history of crimes that the defendant has just admitted to, which does align with the mentality that goes into the crime that we are discussing today.
How does theft coincide with vor?
I was actually thinking of just consumption in general. He was clearly hungry enough to steal moth gummies. Would somebody who's hungry enough to steal moth gummies not also eat the moths themselves?
Epidemic makes people crazy.
Can you believe the news is coming out? A family of moths is dead. I actually have a witness to call to the stand because, as a surprise turn of events, there's actually one member of this family that's still alive who witnessed the event. I'd like to call their child Jeremy. Jeremy.
It's Jessica now, thank you.
Jessica, I apologize.
I'd like to point everyone in the room what your client just said.
What did my client just say? I'm so sorry.
No shot. I was very thorough.
Big dog! Shut the fuck up!
I think I am ready to rule. I need not hear any more.
Wait,
honestly, Your Honor, that would save my witness from having to go through the emotional turmoil of describing the events that they witnessed.
Hold on. Everyone, do we call this now with what he said? Yes or no?
Objection, Your Honor.
I have another...
Objection, hearsay.
Not hearsay. I had something to add.
From from the defendant?
I had
Can
something
I
to
just
add.
speak on the defendant's behalf? Can I give the defendant a voice to what they're saying in chat?
No.
So, if the charges were consuming the entire family, why is it now, all of a sudden, that a witness that is claiming to be the family suddenly showing up?
I'm going to be honest, the charges are just consuming moths. Overruled.
You know what? Valid.
Okay, so would you like to describe the events you saw that day of how Snow, this giant snow cheetah, consumed your whole family?
So he showed up one day, and he just fucking started eating them. He just fucking grabbed their nest and just started eating them one by one, just picking them out and just biting into them like he's some kind of monster. I barely escaped. I will be forever scarred from the events of that day.
As we can see, the witness is clearly devastated.
Breaking news.
Charlie Moth discontinued day before trial.
Oh goodness, that brings actually a really important stuff. That means that during the crime, these gummies were not discontinued. They were discontinued the day before this.
Right, they were discontinued, but the recall happened many, many months prior.
And some people don't have to bring back recalled items.
Are there no more questions for this witness?
No, I don't have any questions of them.
Any more questions?
No, Your Honor. I'd like the witness to be allowed to leave. Oh.
Bailiff, put him in chains.
Damn.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I just figured out what the emos are.
Objection! Thank you.
Would you like to call your witness again?
Yes, may I be unhandcuffed?
Unhandcuff them, bailiff.
Got it.
Thank you. Anyway, yes, I would like to call my witness back to the stand.
Acceptable.
It's been brought to my attention that you are a movie producer.
Yeah.
With these headlines that we have in our evidence, do you mind describing to me what your most recent movie was going to be about? Was it supposed to be about an epidemic that came out and is wreaking havoc, anything of the sort?
No, it was not about an epidemic.
Do you know the defendant?
I don't know
My
who
client.
the fuck that is. I don't want to come
Good.
back to this town. In fact, Your Honor, I think I'm guilty for being stupid enough to come to this town in the first place.
Are you confessing to lying in my courtroom?
No, I'm saying if being stupid's a crime, then I'm guilty.
I mean, so is half my courtroom, so...
Yeah!
Well, I don't know. Who the fuck is this guy? Why am I even... I saw this guy eat some gummy worms and now I'm in a courtroom. I'm just trying to make a movie.
Wait, gummy worms?
Listen, I don't know what the fuck. I ain't never seen no gummy moths before this. This is this new fad, these gummy moths. I don't know what the fuck these gummy moths are. I just heard about them recently. I saw this guy with them gummy moths, and that's why I got pulled in here. I'm sorry for misspeaking in saying gummy worms. I'm caught up in the moment. I'm a little stressed.
Thank you, that's all
Your Honor, I have-
appreciate your time.
I do have a question. I understand you're under a lot of pressure right now, but something tells me that the pressure you're under isn't limited to just this courtroom, is it?
No,
Prosecutor,
I'm
this-
making a movie. What's the relevance here?
I understand.
Prosecutor.
Oh, yes.
This witness does not know anything. They admitted to such.
I think I do have. I am going somewhere with this.
Sure?
Yes.
Chat stated we are not sure. I'm releasing the witness. Would you like to call a witness to the stand, prosecutor?
Honestly, Your Honor, I don't think we need any more. I think we're set on prosecution side.
I would like to beg to differ.
Does the prosecution
Your
rest?
primary witness just admitted to not being a witness and having no information whatsoever. As far as I'm concerned, your entire
However-
defense is bunk.
However, it's been admitted that your witness is an actress.
That does not mean anything.
I
It could
apologize.
mean
Are
a lot of
actresses not allowed to participate in a court of law?
They can be coached. They can be paid to give false information.
Well, if anybody was paid to give false information, I'd assume it was the
Movie producer's pronouns are movie producer.
correct movie producer.
Brought as a producer.
Thank you, Your Honor, for respecting my identity.
Yeah. Prosecutor, respect the pronouns or be held in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor. Movie producer facing budget cuts at their set is
Wrong pronouns.
movie producer. Oh God, movie producer is heavily inclined to take bribes for this court case due to movie producer's budget cuts on movie producer's movie.
When the did movie producers say that movie producer had budget cuts for movie producer's movie?
Oh, they didn't need to because I have evidence for that.
Let me see this evidence.
I think you're cooked.
No, I'm out. I quit. I quit right now.
Your Honor, I rest my
I
case.
have an objection to that.
No. Through major deliberation and no bribes given to the judge.
Hey, Judge, why don't you put this in your pocket?
No bribes given to the judge.
Your Honor, a Moth family is dead. Get out of here, Snow! You're guilty!
I left
Woo!
the courthouse in tears. Yeah, I do have my game audio coming. Everything just hates me because I'm stupid and it's mad at me. Give me a sec.
I can hear Atropa
Hey, you're not
just fine.
stupid. Don't say that about my friends.
No calling yourself stupid.
Yeah.
If you say skibbity, then you automatically win. Your Honor, skibbity?
Can I make an objection?
No.
The bailiff?
I have to be so for real right now. What color were the moths? This is not racism. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Objection.
Have you tasted your own blood?